Hi, I'm Dan from Pro Clima, and in this video we're going to talk about how to install the Solitex Extasana, which is a Class 4 high-performance weather-resistive barrier designed for the use behind cladding and timber frame construction. In this video we're going to install this membrane and this single-frame wall and also seal the overlaps using the TESCON EXTORA tape. In the next videos we're going to talk about how to detail corners, the base connections and also windows. Before installing the Solitex Extasana membrane, check the framing for protrusions, sharp corners or metal strappings, because they could damage your membrane. Every roll of Solitex Extasana comes with marks which help you for measurement and cutting. 30 mm for the tape overlap, these 100 mm marks, there's a 500 mm mark and a 1 meter mark. As our membranes are 1.5 meter wide, you want to mark it at 1.47, so you create 30 mm overlap on the bottom. And you do the same on the other side. Start with rolling out the membrane and fix it with a handful of staples in the top left corner. After you rolled out the membrane and cut it to length, pull it taut and fix it with a handful of staples. Now pull down the membrane in the center to the bottom and fix it with a few staples. This triangulates the tension. Pull the membrane taut diagonally into the corner. Staple along the top edge from stud to stud using 1 or 2 staples and staple in the 150 mm overlap. When installing the second layer of Solitex Extasana, use the same triangulation method, except this time it's inverted. 1, 2, 3.8 meters. Wrap the membrane into the corners and pull it taut. Pull the membrane down and staple it to the studs. Remember, just staple in the 30 mm overlap mark. Once the membrane is stapled off, trim any excess cleanly using a utility knife and your press fix. The TESCON EXTORA tape is a pressure-sensitive solid acrylic tape. It's vapour-permeable and you use it to tape overlaps, joints and penetrations. To create the perfect bond between the tape and the membrane, clean your surface properly. Well done! You have finished the first wall and we can move on to the next wall. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to deal with internal and external corners.